always like hard for me to ask for that because I'm like, it's over.
What's up, everybody? I know I'm not wearing sneakers right now. This is one of those days. I'm not sandals. I know. You don't recognize me on those. But it's me.
Dark, just fixing my lighting.
I'm still shade. I could use some shade right now, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
Amazing.
And welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the New Balance Todd Snyder collab done on one of my favorite new silhouettes of last year, the 327 in the wheat colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to click on that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, today we're going to be taking a look at the New Balance Todd Snyder collab on the 327 silhouette in the wheat colorway. This is a beautiful color. As you know, I love me some olive green. So we're going to start out with the overview of this shoe. Then we're going to jump into size and fit on this, followed by how I style this. This was such a fun, easy color to work with. So definitely worked very well with my palette. All right, so let's jump into this overview on this beautiful colorway. So this is part of an ongoing collaboration with New Balance and Todd Snyder. He released 3 different variations of this pack. So this is the wheat colorway. There was also a pomegranate colorway as well as a pineapple. But this was my favorite out of the 3. So happy to be able to do this unboxing in hand for you because of that olive green tone. You all know how much I love me some olive green. So this inspiration definitely is drawn from New York City and the green markets that we have all over here. So when Todd and his team were sitting down together deciding on how to design this silhouette, they basically decided to add in these colors based off of how much they missed going to farmers market, because when they were going through the design, it was during quarantine when we are all stuck inside. So definitely he and his team were all missing going out and shopping at farmers markets. And so they really wanted to kind of give that vibrancy into this specific shoe, which is really cool to see the color scheme that they came out with on the wheat version. So let's just start out with the front. We've got some beautiful suede on the front of this toe box. The 327, as you know, is my favorite new silhouette that came out last year. So I'm happy again to have a new collab done on it. This time in a completely different color than I'm used to seeing on this whole silhouette, which I think works quite nicely. We've got the split tone colorway of the olive and this light just tan on the other side. We've also got the split colors as well on the underlays of the mesh in that cream and camel tan color scheme. As we work our way up, we've got this olive mesh tongue and a nice just pop of that orange color scheme on the top, which I think is just nice and vibrant. This is corresponding to the matching food group. So for the grains and fruits and vegetables, this is that little symbol on there, which I think is really quirky and cute. And then we've got some nice, just simple gray laces with some cream hues underneath. So let's take a look at those details. All right, so let's move on to the side panels. As you can see on both these shoes, the colors are actually split down the middle and they are literally inverted on the left and right sides of the shoe. So you can actually see that these are completely inverted, which is a really cool concept. I like what they did with that on there. So looking on the inner side panel of the shoe, we've got this nice camel brown mesh on the side that wraps around the back of the heel. Then we've got this nice cream suede on the back. Again, that waffle look, which the 327 is known for, giving it that really just modern sporty look. So we wrap around to the other side. We've got that large end this time and this really high quality suede, again, in that camel tone, which I really think vibes quite nicely with that olive suede on the front and back. So we work our way down to the midsole. We've got a nice simplistic white midsole and a cream colored outsole. On the insole, we've got lots of pops of color and it's literally in rectangle spaces. We've got orange, vibrant yellows, light yellows, golden yellows, blue, teal, red, with Todd Snyder and New York on the inside. So their inspiration on this was really to just have a nice colorful reminder of what it was like to be at the farmers market and to remind everyone that experience. But now that things are kind of back to normal in New York, it is nice to be able to go out there and shop at farmers market. So I'm gonna have to actually go to a farmer's market and actually shoot these shoes at one just to kind of see the look and feel of it. I think it's the perfect environment for this colorway and this specific silhouette. All right, let's talk about the size and fit. But before we do that, actually, let's take a final look at those details. All right, so I stuck true to size on this one with a 7.5 in men's. I would definitely say stick true to size on this one. I do have a little extra space. As you know, I like to wear my shoes on a slightly larger sizing range just because I do like to wear thicker socks. So depending on how you like your shoes to fit, if they are more on a tighter side, that could vary as well, what size works best for you. Again, I do have high arch, narrow feet. For me, I would say stick true to size, but that may vary if you do have flat, wider feet. All right, now let's conclude with the styling section. I had so much fun styling these. I decided for the first look to really just bring out those olive tones in the suede on this one. So I paired this with some nice olive cargo pants, and I topped that off with a simple black cropped t-shirt. And I really just think those olive cargo pants really brought the greens out of the shoe, and it really just brought the look in its entirety together quite nicely.
I try to understand, were we innocent? Always loving you was small crime. Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding? Am I the one bleeding for you? Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding?
For the second look, I decided to bring out some tailor cut khaki pants and a nice kind of camel tone color scheme that I think really vibed well with the hues of this brown kind of camo color as well as the cream colors in this silhouette. Then I topped that off with a nice simple brown belt and a little oversized gray t-shirt.
Am I the one bleeding for you? Like a loaded gun, 'cause I knew you'd shoot me down. Maybe I'm the one to blame, gave you all my love.
For the last and final look, I decided to just switch it up a little bit, bring some pattern to the mix. So I wore some plaid wide leg pants, and I tucked this nice just kind of greenish olive toned t-shirt into the mix. This is a lighter green, but I think it really again just vibed well with all the earthy tones that I saw in this specific color scheme.
My love, 'cause I knew you'd shoot me down. Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding?
So you let me know, out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these shoes? All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. For those of you wondering what the retail value is on these shoes, these went for $150. These did launch on Todd Snyder's site, which is where I was able to cop these, but do look out for that launch on the New Balance site, as that should be happening in the near future. Other than that, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to the channel today, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.